Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will instruct you to remove pop-ups by the site Partyaddprovide-4.live. Keep in mind that this is a fake alert. It targets Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and other popular browsers. Its real mission is to actually force you into participating in some fake survey. The pop-up says that you need to pass this survey, and as a gift they promise that you may win some iPhone or Samsung phone or some gift card from certain online store or some other prize. In reality, participating in this fake survey is a real problem because your computer may be infected and you may start facing a lot of spam to your account because of sharing your personal email and other data. So please be very careful when you see these pop-ups. The only correct solution, of course, is to completely close this page and to leave it. However, the occurrence of these alerts in your browser may be the trace of some adware. So point number one, I recommend that you carefully research your currently available Mac applications, and if you find something suspicious here, you right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, consider scanning your Mac additionally with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. This is the best place to get it on the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. So after the software is downloaded, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database, and then click on Start Combo Scan, and the free research of your Mac computer will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether the trial mode or the premium mode is used, the program performs free research of your Mac computer. To find out what exact threads were removed during the scan, click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific thread that were detected, and you may click on this button that means Show in Finder, and this will show you its direct location, so you may move it to the trash manually. You may do the same thing with all other threads that were reported. You know their location based on this report, so you may remove each specific thread manually or automatically, however, with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.